Hey everybody, welcome to the Animation Capstone. That's correct. Welcome to the end of week 4. A lot of cool things. We're just finishing the music added to it and adding our title cards and end cards. Should see some really good things and also see the whole length of everything, so that way it's tied together. Everything should look perfect. So yeah, let's get into it. Figured I'd add a little bit more about transitions and how you can make them a little bit awesome since we're doing music transitions. So transitions are cool, and in Premiere Pro you can add transitions between clips. Now that your clips sit side by side with each other, like you're using your title card and then you're adding other clips in between it, you can add transitions like outros and intros between like exiting a clip and entering another clip, and it's great. In the same panel group as a project panel, you can find the effects tab, and when you choose the window and the effects to reveal it, you can open the video transitions folder and then open the dissolve folder as well to see all the dissolve effects and how they kind of play a part with everything. Now, when you're using more transitions up here, you can drag the cross dissolve effect between two clips that you previously trimmed and then play in the sequence how the effect looks overall. You can have fun experimenting with other dissolve effects between two adjacent clips like dip to black or dip to white. You can do a lot of different things. One thing I would suggest though is, and one thing I think is really crucial, especially in like any type of presentation or demo reel, make things consistent, because when you use all these different random transitions, you're just confusing the viewer, and then everything's just coming in all over the place. It's just really hard to focus on what the information is. So make sure you just use consistent movements that fit your art style. And you don't want to communicate that someone you're really random on all over the place. That's not a good thing. Now, there's some good transitions to use overall, like the crossfade between audio clips. That works really well, and you can make sure that the two audio clips are adjacent, that both clips are trimmed. You can either do one of the following to add the default audio transition. You can do the current time indicator to the edit point between clips and choose sequence and apply the audio transition, or you can add the audio transition on the other default and expand the audio transitions bin in the effects panel. That really works really well, and you can drag the audio transition to the timeline panel and just choose on the endpoints between the two clips where the crossfade is going to be. Same thing with fade in, fade out. You can use those techniques. You just got to select the audio track and the timeline panel and the works that way too, and choosing the fades and fade out. And you can just do this from like an audio perspective and just changing the volume as well. That could work really well, and using the timeline panel, those work great. And you can also choose like end to cut for the alignment menu to align everything at the end of a cut, or even a start at a cut too, where you can start them all at the same cuts. And that way you can just apply it to every one at once and go from there. That way it's really great. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That's all I got. So no discussion this week. Just finish your assignments, which is the music write-up for what's your choice in music, and then also adding it to the project file. Those are due on Sunday along with your live lecture. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. Have a great weekend. If you need anything, let me know. Other than that, take it easy. Bye-bye.